everyone, welcome to the new episode of Know Your Nitorian, and today we have with us Rachana Mendhi, the wellness coach of Nitor Infotech. So welcome Rachana.
Thank you Harshali, thank you for having me here.
So my first question to you is, since you are the wellness coach, can you tell me what is the role of a wellness coach?
So when you ask me role of a wellness coach, I would say taking care of employee wellness and health. And when I say wellness, it's not just about physical wellness, it's also social wellness, environmental wellness, mental wellness, emotional wellness too. And then empowering employees, motivating employees, inspiring them to take care of their own health. And through various initiatives we have throughout the year, like various sessions, then challenges, then there are various camps which happen throughout the year. So these are the things which create a health awareness among employees, and also empowering them, creating a culture of wellness. And when I'm saying creating, I would say the culture is already created, because you will see on the floor, you will see employees motivating each other, inspiring each other, sharing their stories, their experiences, suggesting apps. So Harshali is an example. So one of the employees, he suggested an app, Impact app, and I can see Harshali is the top performer on Impact app. So this is just I would say a culture which I see, and I'm really proud and happy to see this culture.
That's really true, Rachana. I mean, like you said about the Impact app, I have experienced it myself, that because of the culture that has been created and the appreciation, the motivation that we are getting through it, I have actually started working because of that. So coming to my next question, you've been here at Nitor since how many years, and what are some fun memories that you will have?
So I'm here for 4 years and 4 months to be exact. And about the fun memories, there are many fun memories in these 4 years. But we have had foundation days, we have had so many challenges. But recently, if I try to recollect, NPL what we had, it was 3 days of positive energy. It was 3 days of enthusiasm. It was so good to see families coming, small kids cheering their parents for that cricket league. And I felt like I'm sitting in a country, watching a country cricket. So it was a fun experience, very positive energy, very nice experience. So that is what I'm able to recollect now.
You are absolutely right. I mean, the memory that you've just recollected, NPL, I can also remember Rachana was not going to come on the second day of NPL, but she did, and she was running around whenever people were having those injuries with those medical kit and all. So that was really amazing. So now the next round that we have for you is a rapid fire round, wherein I'll ask you some questions and you will have to answer those super quick.
Tell me something.
Okay, so Rachana, are you ready for the rapid fire?
Oh yes, let's start, bring it on.
Okay, so your favorite season?
Rainy season.
Your go-to snack?
Dry fruits.
Favorite movie?
Jab we met.
And one word in another language.
Kem cho, majama. And this word I would say is, I know 3 languages: Marathi, that's my mother tongue, Hindi and English. But when I was in my early days, I was in Gujarat.
Okay.
So Gujarati is the first language which I actually learned before Marathi. So I found it very sweet language. So right now I don't remember anything Gujarati, no Gujarati at all. But it's just, I like that word, Kem cho, majama. It's a very cute vibe. It has a very cute vibe.
That's great. So coming to my next question, I'm sure you'll like this because you'll be able to give a tip also with the question. So this question is something that you hate hearing from people.
Okay, something that I hate hearing from people. Harshali, thank you for asking this question. I mean, this has been my favorite question till now. I really feel I hate hearing when people tell me that they don't have time to take care of their health, or they can't even spare 30 minutes of exercise for themselves. So I feel our body does so much for us day in and day out. So we deserve to give 30 minutes to yourself. So I feel this is a question I feel it's really untrue Nobody can say that they don't have time, even 30 minutes. So this is a question I hate to hear. So next time anybody, telling me this, remember my answer. I don't like hearing it.
So next time before I talk to you about this, I need to remember that Rachana hates hearing this. Okay, so before we conclude, I have seen you telling us every time that please eat healthy, please eat healthy. So now that summer is coming, can you tell us a quick recipe for the summertime which is healthy?
Okay, for summer, when you say summer, I hear watermelon. So watermelon is like my summer fruit, I would say, for everyone. So a quick recipe is just dice some watermelon, few ice cubes, put it in a mixer with some mint leaves and just make a juice out of it. Just a dash of lemon juice and you are good to go. It's like a very refreshing, very rehydrating summer drink. So I guess this is a quick recipe which I can tell you for summer, which came quickly in my mind.
That was a refreshing recipe, I must say. So whenever I'll have dehydration or the audience will have dehydration, do remember Rachana's watermelon juice recipe. So thank you, Rachana, for joining us here and giving us such healthy tips.
Thank you so much, Harshali, for inviting me here.
I'm sure you all must have enjoyed our healthy episode of Know Your Nitorian. So visit our career page to know more about how you can become a Nitorian and follow us on our social media platforms. Thank you.